Today we're going to be showing you how to make Khanom. That translates as boiled dessert. Not at all sexy, not at all glamorous, but it tastes delicious. So that's what we'll be showing you today, right after this.
Good morning, welcome to Fitous Thai kitchen. Today we're going to make Thai dessert, Thai traditional dessert. We call Khanom Pai Tou. The ingredient we use glutinous rice flour. We use only half bag. Shredded coconut. Yeah, this Pandan juice. I did show you how to make the juice from Thai pancake. This is the filling. This one leftover from I did make Thai pancake before. First, beat the glutinous rice flour with the Pandan juice. We use only half bag. We just pour this one bit by bit. We beat until become very smooth. It's not sticky. Put in the fridge. Can last about another month. Then the filling we just make like a small ball. Okay, now we're going to put the filling inside here. Okay, I pour is the sticky rice flour on the plate first. Okay, now we're going to wrap this one. You make something the same size, and then you make it flat. Put this one inside and wrap it. And then we steam shredded coconut about 2 minutes. A bit of salt. Okay, this one we boil about 5 minutes with the boiled water, and this one we steam 2 minutes. Okay.
กินอะไร
In the filling. Okay, we steam shredded coconut for 2 minutes in the steamer. And then boil this this one with a warm water.
Pi Tou just sampling the goods. You eat it, you pay for it.
Okay. We put this one in steamed shredded coconut. And then we mix it.
Alright then, so let's give these a try. That looks scrumptious. Oh wow. Sweet, salty, coconutty. Really good. So I hope you enjoyed that, everyone, and we'll see you next week. If you've got any questions or any requests, please feel free to drop us a line or send us a comment. And we'll take it from there. All right, take care now and have a happy and holy Easter. Take care. Bye.